Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Linux and exploring how to use it within Windows. Linux is a powerful and versatile operating system that can be used for a variety of tasks, from web development to data analysis. But did you know that you can actually run Linux within Windows? To get started, you'll need to download and install a virtual machine software, such as VirtualBox or VMware. Once you've set up your virtual machine, you can choose from a variety of Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, or CentOS. Now, you can enjoy the benefits of Linux without having to switch to a separate operating system. It's a great way to learn, experiment, and expand your technical skills. Thank you for joining us on this tech adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding!